Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to be doing this look right here. I know I do feel so plain today. I don't have my set in, but I am doing this look for you guys. If you guys have not already forgot about me or anything, but welcome back to my channel. I'm Javier, Makeup by J07, and I am back here to conquer your world. So yeah, but in today's tutorial, like I said, we are going to be doing this blue / pink eyeshadow tutorial. Mostly, don't know where that word came from, but mostly this tutorial is for Valentine's Day. I decided to go out the box and really do some color. I decided to incorporate the pink because obviously it's for Valentine's Day, and if somebody that loves the color blue and pink, you will love this look. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, please like this video, comment down below for any other suggestions you guys got for me or any tutorial request. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for a tutorial on my bun, on undercuts. You guys want to know all the hairstyles that I've been doing for my undercuts, and I'll for sure be getting into tutorials really soon once I get my talent down with my hair, because I'm barely learning. So please wait, let me learn and then let me teach you, because I can't teach you if I don't know how to do it myself correctly. So let me just, you know, give you the best of my knowledge on my next video once I try to do one of these tutorials. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media down below. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds to show you how to do this look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am starting off with my brows already on, and my shadow, or I mean my concealer, is already set. So I already have my base ready, and I'm ready to go straight onto the eyes. For today's tutorial I am going to be using the Tartelette palette, and I am going to be going in with the shade Force of Nature, and it's this shade right here. I'm going to be using this shade for a transition color, and I'm going to be taking this with my MAC 224 brush to blend that into my crease. So hey guys, so now I am going to be going in with my BH Cosmetics palette, and I am going to be going in with this shade right here, and I'm going to be starting this shade as a transition color into my crease, and I am going to be taking this with a more precise brush, and I'm just going to be taking that color, and I'm just going to be focusing this blue in my inner crease and my inner and outer corner. So just to really add that color in there, because I do want the color to, I want it to pop up a lot. I'm not worried about the blending because I do go in with my MAC 224 brush to blend it out. So hey guys, so now I am going to be going in with this shade right here, and it's a darker blue, and I did add this already to my lids, and now I am going to be going in with my MAC 217 brush to blend that out. This brush is more precise and it's more angled into the corners. So I love this brush when I really want to diffuse a very harsh color. So now I did go in with this darker blue from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I went in with this dark blue, and now I am going to be going in with my MAC 217 brush, or is this my 214? I think this is my is this MAC 224? Yeah, this is the MAC 217, MAC 217 brush. Sorry guys, I always get mixed up on my brush numbers. So I did cut my crease guys, and I did conceal it with you know, the Better Skin concealer, and now I did set it just so you guys can know, because I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me. I did cut it, like you guys can see this. Boom, I cut the crease, and now I am going to be going in with a color, but I was really thinking that the blue should be popping out this color, so hopefully how I really decided how this look is going to come out. Let's see how it comes out. So now I'm going to be going in with this pink shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to be going in with this pink shade, and I'm going to pack it on all my lids. So now I am going to be going in with the Prime Light Primer from Milani. I'm going to blend this out with my dual fiber brush from MAC. I did apply so much of it, so it's okay. I love this primer anyways. Oh. So for foundation today, I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation. I live by it. It's the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and I love it. It's one of my all-time favorite foundations, and it's so affordable, and it's full coverage. I love how it feels on my skin. The smell doesn't really bug me, but I really like the coverage and how it looks on my skin and how it wears. I do set it with a powder, so it does wear a really long time. So yeah. So now I'm going in with the Better Skin Concealer, and I'm using this to highlight my eyes. I have the hiccups and it sucks because they don't get away. I literally put this everywhere. I don't only put it in one place. I put it everywhere. I don't care. Like, as long as it's there. Now I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm going in with my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going in with the excess product, and then just tapping this over my head and all over my face, just to set very, 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 very lightly. So now I'm going to be going in with the Master Contour palette. It comes with a blush, highlight, and contour, and it has numbers in between the powder, so it does tell you 1, 2, and 3. I don't really like this palette, but I'm going to try it out today for a bronzer, so let's see how this works out. By the way, the brush I'm using is a 153 brush from MAC. Now I'm going to be going in with the blush from the palette, and it's the number 2, and I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. complexion brush, and I am going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks just to add some warmth. So now I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and it does come with 4 shadows or 4 powders, and there is 2 highlights and 2 contours, and I am going to be going in with the cooler tone shade, which is this one right here. And I am going to be taking this with my MAC to, I don't know what brush number is this. I forgot, guys. I forgot what brush number was it. Oh my god, guys, I put highlight on my face. Okay. So now I'm just going to be going in my contour. So now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Glow Kit in the shade Gleam. Bitch, I'm filming a tutorial too. Bitch, I'm filming a tutorial right now. Like I said, I never stop working. Bitch, you should have told me your weigh-in, bitch. I was going to say a lot more. And then for my lips, I did use a Kylie Wannabe lipstick, and the lipstick is the shade Mauve or Mauvide in the collection of L'Oreal Paris. The shade looks like this. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and this week's tutorial has been so crazy because look at the colors that I'm doing, and I'm so excited to be back on my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys haven't already, please follow me on all my social media down below, Instagram, Snapchat, you know the deal. And yeah guys, if you guys haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Love you guys.